Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my brows looking like this. So I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can create brows like this using 5 different products. So in this video I am going to be using Benefit Cosmetics products. So I will be honest, they did send me some stuff in a PR package and I just literally had to use them straight away. So you guys know I love my pomades, I love everything to do with brows. So why I have a whole collection of things, why not give it a go? Obviously you guys can use different alternatives, but today I'm just going to be using Benefit Cosmetics just to show you guys how I got these brows and this look. So if you guys want to know how I got that, then please keep on watching. So I'm just brushing that through my brow hairs. I absolutely love this wand. So on either side you have a really small brush, and then on the other side you have a really thick brush. So you can really decide how you want it. So I use the small one for the top and then the thick one for that. So that is how my brows look just by using their 24-hour brow setter. I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in the shade number 3. This is perfect for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I get a fuller brow just by using something as simple as this. So you got your little spoolie on the end. I just like to brush it through those brows. As you guys can see, it's already given me a fuller looking brow. Now my trick to this is always brushing through so you're picking up those baby hairs as well. And just like that, I have an amazing brow. And I have the most perfect brows. So next for my brows, I'm going in with the Precisely Me brow pencil. This I used yesterday for the first time and oh my god, I fell in love. I usually can't find a brow pencil that I like. I usually use the pomades, but oh my god, this changed my life. So I'm going to use this one in number 4 and I just have to say the packaging is so pretty. So if you just pull off this end here and you wind it up, you have your product. This end, you have your spoolie. These are like perfect for traveling. If you're going out, so good. So I'm just gonna brush my hairs up because I just removed the last product, so my brows are a bit scattered all over the place. So again, I just really like to just brush them through, set them how I really want them to sit. And I'm just gonna line the bottom first. Then I really like to line the top. So I like to brush down. brush it back up. And that's how I fill in my arch. And then I do my point. And then for the front, I like to just fill in this bit here. And then for the very front, I just very lightly stroke it. And that is how I fill in a brow with a pencil. So obviously you can see the difference on each side. Go in with is the brow zing. This is really cute. So when you open it, you have your wax, your powder, you also have two brushes here and the benefit tweezers. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to give it a go with the tools that come with it, and they just snap back. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to grab this pointy end and I'm going to go in with the brow gel. This is in the shade 3, which is a really nice like light brown. I've actually never used one of these before. So then I'm going to pick up the powder. And I'm just going over. Oh, that is really nice. So for the front, I'm just doing the same, just small strokes. Wow, that is really pretty. That is so nice. Brows complete with the brow zing. Go in with the Brow. So this is their famous brow pomade. I cannot wait to use it. So this one I'm going to use in the shade 4. So I usually use a 3, but I would love to see how the shade 4 goes. So I love that it's just a little screw off. Perfection. And on the end, a little brush. Using all the tools that come with it, so I'm just going to be dipping in here. So for this, I really like to outline my brows first. This one I always find when I do it, I get a heavier looking brow. With my highbrow. because when I've been wiping off my makeup, it has just completely taken it off. I'm gonna highlight underneath my brows. Wow, this is so creamy. I love it. Oh my god. I can never find one that is nice. They're always really drying. This one is so creamy. Yes. Benefit coming through with the goods. Oh my god, to die for. If you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.